Okay, hi everybody. Coach Steve here. And listen, there is Wasana, and we are here. This is our favorite place to have breakfast on Sunday morning. It's a Vietnamese restaurant, and these guys are amazing, and it is awesome. And so what we have here is a soup that we always have, and it's called what's it called? One more time. What's not?
Vietnamese noodle soup.
Noodle soup. Okay,
Yes.
and there it is. And this is
They call pate.
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 It's got this really cool this bread, it's French bread with all this awesome stuff on the inside. It is really. I mean, that is that. Oh.
But the inside they have the pork and white pork sausage, creamy.
Very nice, and we love that. We love that. And this is my dish, my egg dish. Scott, that's of course that's an egg, and that's beef type, chili type stuff anyway. And that is pork and onions, and it's amazing. This is rose tea that actually tastes like you're drinking a rose. And this is the coffee, the best coffee I've ever had. It's absolutely amazing, man.
Dip coffee.
Deep coffee? Dip coffee. It's dripping. Look at that. Amazing. Vietnamese coffee. And she just got our soup ready to go. As you can see, it has a chicken foot in it, and just amazing. So, and now this is the king.
Yes.
Okay, that's
King Ramadan.
yeah, man, he's a sharp guy, and he bears an amazing resemblance. He bears an amazing resemblance to Tony Robbins, and he is a sharp dude. Much honor to the king. Okay, guys. Hey, listen. So I've got a lot of great things coming your way today. So stay tuned. I just wanted to give you a chance to see where I'm hanging out on a Sunday morning, and coming your way later on with some really great content that I think you're gonna like. And Wasana is the person who told me about low profile, high profit, and we'll talk more about that. And living slow. We'll talk more about all that stuff. Okay.
Slow life.
The slow life. Okay. Sounds good. We'll talk soon. Bye.